How insurance markets are bucking the global recession trend. Growing momentum in commercial insurance. Non-life commercial insurance providers have reported double-digit price increases for a variety of lines of business across all major global regions for 2019. Prices have been rising as peak losses and accelerating claims inflation have forced the industry to respond. Some insurers have increased prices drastically in loss-affected lines. Others have even decided to withdraw completely from certain lines or geographies, pushing up pricing further in light of reduced underwriting capacity. A hardening insurance market is on the way, and that's not the only thing making the global P&C insurance segment more optimistic about 2021. 2020 will mark an inflection point in our history books. We are continuing to experience a global health crisis caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. There is still no V-shaped economic recovery in sight, and global economic resilience, already fragile before the pandemic, has declined even further according to our research. Even before the COVID-19 crisis, low interest rates were severely undermining the profitability of the insurance industry. It's clear that without significant price increases, the insurance industry will not be able to meet the growing need for insurance protection in a commercially viable way. But after years of low prices and below-average profits, there are signs that insurance markets may finally be turning the corner, driven by commercial insurance lines. Premium growth. Compared to the global financial crisis in 2008-09, the decline in global insurance premiums in 2020 is of a similar magnitude. This is significant because this year's estimated economic contraction of 4% is much steeper than the 1.8% contraction seen during the GFC. From this perspective, when looking ahead to global insurance premium growth, insurance markets are more likely to bounce back quicker and harder than what global economic indicators would currently seem to imply. Prices in commercial insurance have been hardening, providing a tailwind to premium growth in the current year. Overall, we expect a moderate reduction in global non-life premium growth due to the COVID-19 crisis, and then a strong rebound in global P&C premiums by 3.8% in real terms in 2021. Higher prices. Another reason to be cautiously optimistic about the future of insurance markets is that we're finally seeing rising prices. Rising claims tend to trigger higher rates. We're therefore expecting strong rate increases in credit and surety and moderate rate increases in other affected lines of business and portfolios, including D&O and medical malpractice. The need for prices to cover increasing loss trends. The low interest rate environment is likely to drive up prices in commercial insurance markets. Underwriting fundamentals such as risk selection and costing, portfolio steering, appropriate terms and conditions, and contract wordings will be critical to writing future business.